This is the second of two introductory lectures for Math 1116, Excursions in Mathematics. This lecture will tell you about the syllabus, the schedule, content, and grading. Print for yourself a copy of the course syllabus. It tells you about the format of the course materials, recitations, assignments, exams, and so on. Make sure to read it at the earliest opportunity. It also includes contact information for the instructors. Please get in touch with them if you have any questions. Within Carmen, there is a calendar, which includes all due dates for assignments and all exam dates. Note that all the Carmen materials are arranged in chronological order, with 1 unit per week. This slide tells you what to expect in a typical week. You'll begin by downloading the materials for the unit, which will be cited in the lectures. Then watch the video lectures. When you've done that, take the lecture quiz. It can be repeated until you have a perfect score. To supplement the lectures, read the assigned pages in the textbook. To prepare for recitation, print the recitation handout plus any other needed materials and take them to recitation. At the recitation, work with your group to complete the activity in the handout. Your recitation instructor will be there to guide you and to answer any questions which arise. After recitation, complete the assignment, which is due exactly 1 week later at the next recitation, or at the midterm exam if one is scheduled that week. The purpose of the course is to give you a taste of some modern topics in mathematics. It's a liberal arts course. That is to say, it's aimed at giving you a broad idea of what mathematics is about, why people study it, how they use it, and what kind of thinking they use. Even though we will encounter recipes, you will probably find that the course is more akin to studying literature or art rather than following the instructions in a cookbook. In designing the course, we have aimed to convey a sense of mathematics as a natural way of understanding the world and as something that can be fun to do. We've tried to present a variety of topics. Some topics are applied, and others are in pure math, the study of patterns without a particular application in mind. You'll note that the name of the course and the title of the textbook both use the word excursions. And that's a good description. Since we study each topic for only 2 or 3 weeks, we just take a short trip. We don't go a great distance. Now, here are the 4 main topics you will study in the course, in order. First, graph theory, then patterns and growth, which could also be called recursion. After that, we'll study geometric objects called fractals. The 4th unit is about symmetry. It's not shown here, but the last week of the course is a synthesis and review. The recitation will consist of 1 extended problem that combines ideas from the first 2 course topics, which I hope gives some idea about how one begins to make broader connections within mathematics. Finally, a word about grading. Math 1116 uses the OSU standard scheme for grading. Your raw score will be converted to a percentage, and your percentage will determine your final grade, as shown here. Your final grade will be based on your scores for lecture quizzes, recitations, assignments, computer assignments, midterm exams, and the final exam. I hope you enjoy the course. I'll be talking to you again soon.